Good morning, dear student. Today we'll start a new lesson, which is a poem, Mother Nature's Treasures. So, in this poem, we will learn about the nature. In this chapter, we will read a poem on nature and its conservation. That means how to keep nature in safe. Learn idioms related to nature, words related to conservation and nature. So it is our utmost duty to save our natural resources so that we can survive in a fresh and good way in nature. Nature can give us so many things which are immense important for us. We cannot live without the help of nature. Here in the first stanza, Mother Nature smiled at me, then reached to take my hand. Here, nature is indicated as mother. So, we all know that our mother always loved us and smiled at us when we are in a sad mood or in a depression. Likewise, the nature also smiled at us. She walked me across the countryside to view her traveled land. So when we are cross across the countryside, the Mother Nature give company us to cross the traveled land. She showed me places man had erred, misusing precious earth. The Mother Nature also shows the places which are misused by the people who have made mistakes, but Mother Nature taught us how to use this precious earth or the land in a right way. Confusing things, abusing things with inane thought of worth. When the things gone wrong, the Mother Nature taught us how to come out from confusing things, how to come out from abusing things, and also the things which are meaningless. Stanza number 2. She asked me what is the worth of the red tail's call. So here the mother nature asks what is the worth of red tail call. Red tail means an American hawk with a red tail. So what is the worth of red tail as she flies to feed her nest? When necessary, the red tail flies to feed her nest. Or the herd bulls bugle in the cold, dark dawn. Then comes the herd of the bulls, the group of bulls in the dark dawn, as he challenged all comers to the test. It is saying that when the things are in group, they are doing their activities normally without any negative activities. Like the red tail flies to feed her nest, the herd of bulls bugle in the cold dark dawn. Stanza number 3. What is the worth of a mountain sunset as the evening colors spill across the sky? So here it is saying that what is the worth of a mountain sunset as the evening colors spill across the sky? So in the evening, the sunset is looking beautiful when it sets nearby mountain as the evening colors spill across the sky. That color spilled spread across the sky. Or the wake up music at dawn's first light as we hear the coyote's mournful cry. So early in the morning, during the time of wake up, there is a music at dawn first light as we hear that the wild American wild dog that looks like wolf, they are crying. Stanza number 4. And then she said, there is no given worth at all in nature's priceless treasures. That means you cannot imagine that the worth of all in nature's treasures are priceless. The nature can give us endless number of things which we cannot give the price. It has the powerful way for our help. There is no way you could ever pay using dollars as your measures. So the things which provided by the nature to us, you cannot pay them by using even dollars. Each natural treasure I possess is a gift to all forever. Whatever the natural resources or natural treasures possessed by the Mother Nature is one kind of gift to all forever, which we cannot pay back. I have just one rule about selling them. It is saying that the Mother Nature has just one rule, that is never, never, never. She will give to all of us, but we cannot pay back to her. Here, stanza number 5. Here, her voice begins to tremble. Small tears tears each cheek. Her voice begins to tremble. That means slightly shake. Very emotional. Small tears each cheek to gently touch. Again she holds my hands in hers and softly start to speak. Mother Nature do, doing so many things for us, and we cannot pay back to her. Again she holds my hands in hers and softly start to speak. After all the activities, although we have done so many mistakes or wrong to Mother Nature, also she holds our hands and softly start to speak to us. My treasures and my pleasures belongs to all who do their share and proudly say in every way I do because I care. So in the last two lines, Mother Nature says that my treasures and my pleasures belongs to all. That means those who are doing their good things share their good things. She proudly says in every way, I do because I care. Whoever doing good things with Mother Nature, she will do good for them, and also she will care for them. Thank you. So, dear student, please watch the video properly and try to understand. I have simply explained the poem stanza wise. Thank you.